I'm your typical girl that absolutely loves makeup. And what equals makeup? Getting ready. Getting ready is completely Andrea time. It is me time. It is a time that I get to sit in a chair and pamper myself and make myself feel better. And although my old vanity did her thing, we will forever be grateful for her. She was just not my vibe anymore. So I decided to do a little something. I officially have my absolute dream vanity. This vanity is literally everything and more. It's girly, it's chic, it's elegant yet simple. I love it. So you guys helped me clean, organize, and decorate, and at the end I'm giving you guys a little tour. And obviously, who doesn't love some organizing? I know we all watch the organizing ASMRs on TikTok. Let's be for real. Let's do this. Before I start cleaning though, I want to give you guys a really quick overview of my new vanity. Look at how beautiful she is. I'm obsessed. This right here is from Amazon. I think it came in a total of like 8 small pieces and you just kind of snap them together. I was really in between and doing like white or a gray just because my room is white and gray. But my beautiful mother thought that the room would pop a lot more if we did this wood. And I'm so happy that's what we went with. I feel like your eyes directly go into my vanity, which is exactly what I wanted. Now this mirror is also from Amazon. I feel like it makes it look even more chic and elegant. Like I am obsessed. This is actually supposed to be for the bathroom, so it actually has different light settings. Now for my actual beautiful vanity, I actually got it custom made. I think she is so beautiful. Like she is exactly what I wanted because I literally designed her. I did 4 big drawers on each side because I just really wanted to make use of my space. 1 more drawer here in the middle for anything else that I needed. Now as for the drawer handles, I literally just went with a simple steel little like button handle thing. I also got these from Amazon. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm still not 100% sure if I'm obsessed with these. I'm still trying to feel it out. As for the stool, I also got it from Amazon. I am obsessed. I really wanted a Sherpa chair. I just feel like it was gonna look super cute. I did not think this through. Okay, to start off, we're gonna clean. All these drawers are completely empty. So I have some paper towel, some Windex, and a plastic bag I found laying around my house so I can throw anything away that I need to. It definitely needed this wipe down. Now it's actually time to organize. So I bought a bunch of these on Amazon and they came in so many different sizes. I'm starting to regret my decision. My scoliosis is like kicking in right now. I actually have to like go through and separate what I want to go into each drawer. Since I already picked up some eyeshadow palettes, I feel like eyelashes kind of go with that. So I think I'm gonna get all of these. I think I'm gonna do blushes next. I feel like I definitely have more blushes than this. I think I'm gonna do bronzers next. Another blush. Another bronzer. Another concealer. Now I think I'm gonna do like highlighters. Another concealer. I think this one's highlighter. I think it's time to start deciding where I actually want everything to be. I know I for sure want one of these 2 top drawers to be like my everyday makeup. I put all the organizers up here and I'm just gonna start setting it up and then adding products in. It's time to lock in. Now I need to pick out my everyday products. Oh my god, perfect. This second drawer I want to be like all the blushes. That looks so good. I decided to put blushes, bronzers, and all like the highlights together just because they all do fit in one drawer. one side of my vanity is fully done. So I'm actually gonna use this bottom drawer for like camera equipment stuff, just because it's easier since this is like where I film usually. So tired. This is everything for the last drawer, so I have to somehow fit all of this in our last and final drawer. Oh my god, it doesn't fit. I don't hate it, but it's definitely not my favorite. For this middle drawer, I have this mirror that I use to do my makeup, but it's not aesthetic, so I don't like having it out. And honestly, I think I'm just gonna put my computer in here too. I'm also just gonna put my sunnies in here. Now for the part I've actually been wanting to do, which is decorating. These are the stuff I have to decorate. I have this that is from Amazon, I believe. I have my Rode mirror, this candle I literally found around my house, and then I got these 2 books at Home Goods. I have these type of books all over my room. I have some right there. I literally have more right here, and then I have some literally right there too. I also have this I ordered from Amazon. I'm still in time to return it, so I want to see what it looks like. I also did order this from Amazon, and I thought it would be cute to hold the brushes, so I'm in between these two. This is also from Amazon. It's my jewelry holder. I haven't like moved anything from here. I definitely should make it a little bit cuter, but we'll worry about that another time. Okay, I feel like it just makes sense to put this right here. Obviously the mirror. What do you guys like better, that or that? Like, I can't tell. These are my everyday brushes. That's why I'm like scared. I feel like they're not all gonna fit in here, but imagine like just for decor I had it like that. That would look so good. I don't want to have my brushes in a drawer. That's ugly, huh? I don't think that looks bad, right? I kind of want to put them under here. That looks cute. Wait, I love that. Like right here. I definitely want to get a cuter candle. I feel like this one's boring, but just imagine it like uncovered. I feel like that adds some more. Last and final step. Oh my god, this is literally more than I could have ever imagined. Like, this is perfect. I am absolutely obsessed with how this came out. Like, this is actually insane. But this is not the final reveal. I need to give you guys an in-depth tour of all the drawers so you guys can really what I did here. Over here on my left side, I have this little tray. I got this from Amazon. Same with this little flower vase. Then I just have this mini little Miss Dior. I feel like it just adds like a little something. This mirror I literally got from like TJ Maxx or something. I don't even remember. Over here I have my little like jewelry stand. I also got this from Amazon, and I just have a bunch of my jewelry on here. I have these 2 little decorative bugs, this Valentino one and this Dior one, and they're just 2 different shades of pink. If my vanity didn't have pink, like literally who am I? Then I have my little giant Miss Girl. I don't even want to say her name. This is beautiful. But I love this that I can watch YouTube videos while I'm getting ready. I can watch my favorite show, listen to my favorite song, go on Pinterest if I want to. Like, I can literally do anything. This candle, this actually has like something in the front, but I don't really want it to show. It's from Bath & Body Works and it smells amazing. In here in my first drawer, I have all my skincare stuff and tools. So I have all my headbands, stuff that's gonna like hold my hair back, my skin prep. You guys know I'm such a big skin prep girly. If you don't do your skin prep correctly, that's probably why your makeup looks like shit. Now on to here. This is my lippy drawer. I have all of my different lippies here. Summer Fridays. I have Rode, and right below it I have more lippies. I have just like a bunch of random lip glosses, lipstick. I also have my brushes. I have the bigger brushes here, and then all the smaller brushes here. Here in the center, I just have my laptop, this like extension thing, the mirror that I use to get ready with, and then just my sunnies. Now onto my favorite side. Oh my god, look at all this makeup. This is gorgeous, perfect, and beautiful. In here, I have my everyday holy grail product. This is the drawer that is never gonna go unopened. Now onto the second one. I love this drawer. This has blushes, contours, highlighters. I just love it. I feel like this one is just so girly and beautiful. This has all my different mascaras, which as you can tell, I'm a L'Oreal telescopic girly. The reason why I have a toothbrush is because whenever I do my hair, I use eyebrow stuff. I have all my powders and I just decided to put some like random powder puffs in here. Now down here, I feel like this is gonna be the least open drawer, to be honest, just because I don't really do eyeshadow all that much. All like my eyeshadow palettes here. And then I also decided to put in these pouches. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, besties. Don't forget, I officially post every single Friday now, so don't miss an upload. I'll try not to either. I hope you guys love my vanity as much as I do because I'm absolutely obsessed. I love you besties all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video.